Morning commute stress.
Every morning feels the same. I wake up already thinking about being late.
Me too. I don't even enjoy breakfast anymore. I'm already watching the clock.
Look at this traffic. Cars barely moving, people honking for nothing.
And everyone looks angry, like we're all in the same rush, fighting for time.
The bus was packed today. No space, no air, no silence.
Same for the train. People pushing, checking their phones, avoiding eye contact.
My phone started buzzing before I even left home.
Emails, messages, reminders. Work starts before work.
Exactly. By the time I arrive, I already feel tired.
Mental fatigue, not physical, just constant pressure.
Sometimes I ask myself how long we can live like this.
Yeah, always rushing, always late, always stressed.
But somehow we keep doing it.
Because the city doesn't wait.
It pushes you forward.
If you slow down, you fall behind.
Still, there's energy here.
True. The movement, the ambition.
Stressful, exhausting, but alive.
That's city mornings. You survive them and then you repeat them. Quiet morning routine. I woke up before the alarm today.
Me too. And for once, I didn't feel stressed.
No traffic noise, no phones buzzing.
Just birds and fresh air.
Mornings feel slower here.
In a good way.
I actually had time to sit down, to breathe.
In the city, mornings were a race.
Here, they feel like a pause.
Like the day waits for you.
I didn't even check my phone right away.
Same. Nothing felt urgent.
This silence, it's comforting.
It gives your mind space.
I didn't realize how tired I was until it stopped.
That's the difference. Country mornings don't rush you.
They welcome you. Talking about rent.
I checked the rent again this morning.
Let me guess. It went up.
Of course it did. Same apartment, same problems, higher price.
It's crazy how much we pay for so little space.
The bedroom is small, the kitchen barely fits 2 people.
But we're close to work. That's what they sell us.
Location, convenience, city life.
And stress included for free.
Sometimes I wonder what we're really paying for.
Time, maybe? Shorter commutes, longer work days,
But at what cost?
no space to breathe, no quiet.
And every year the same question. Do we stay or do we move?
Leaving the city feels scary.
But staying feels expensive.
Yeah, it's not just rent anymore.
It's a life decision.
Friendly neighbor chat. I still find it strange, in a good way.
What?
People here actually stop and talk. No rushing, no pretending they didn't see you.
Yeah. This morning, someone talked to me for 5 minutes just to say hello.
In the city, that would never happen.
Everyone's always in a hurry there.
Here, conversations feel natural.
And real. People look at you when they speak.
I didn't realize how much I missed that.
Neither did I.
It's not about knowing everyone,
It's about feeling connected.
like you belong somewhere.
Exactly.
Life feels slower here.
But warmer.
I think this is what peace looks like.
Yeah. Simple, quiet, and human.
Busy coffee shop. Look at this line. It's barely 8 in the morning.
I know. Everyone looks half asleep and already stressed.
The noise is unbelievable. Coffee machines, people talking, phones ringing.
City mornings don't whisper, they shout.
Honestly, I don't even taste the coffee anymore.
Same. It's not about enjoying it, it's about surviving the day.
I woke up tired today.
That's becoming normal.
Long nights, short mornings, and straight into work mode.
And once you're here, there's no pause button.
Just meetings, deadlines, and more coffee.
Lots of coffee.
Look around. Everyone's in their own bubble.
Yeah, same routine, different faces.
Sometimes I miss slow mornings.
Me too. But in the city, slowing down feels like falling behind.
So we stand in line, waiting for caffeine to fix everything.
Welcome to adult city life.
Cooking together at home. You know what I like most about this?
What?
We're not rushing. No clock, no pressure.
Yeah, in the city, cooking always felt like a race.
Exactly. Cook fast, eat fast, move on.
Here, it feels different.
It feels peaceful
Even chopping vegetables feels relaxing.
because we're actually present,
Not thinking about work, not checking phones.
just listening to the food, the sounds, the smells.
I forgot how quiet kitchens could be.
Me too. Silence used to make me uncomfortable.
Now it feels comforting.
Funny how life changes.
Yeah, we used to think happiness was doing more.
Now it feels like doing less, but better.
Cooking together, talking, laughing.
Sharing a simple meal.
That's what I want more of.
Me too,
This life feels slower.
but fuller.
I don't miss the rush.
I don't either. Late workday pressure.
I thought today would end earlier.
Me too, but the day just kept going.
Meetings, emails, deadlines, one after another.
My brain feels full, like there's no space left.
I stopped checking the time at some point. It didn't matter anymore.
That's when you know you're tired. Not physically, mentally.
Even when work ends, it doesn't really end.
You keep thinking about what you forgot, what's waiting for tomorrow.
And tomorrow looks exactly like today.
Same pressure, same pace.
Sometimes I miss jobs where you could actually disconnect.
Yeah, now work follows you everywhere.
Phone, emails, notifications.
Always just one more thing,
We keep pushing, even when we're exhausted.
because that's city work life.
Fast, demanding.
And hard to escape. Talking about space and nature. Look at all this space. It still surprises me.
Yeah, nothing blocking the view.
In the city, everything felt close. Buildings, people, noise everywhere.
Even when you were alone, you never really felt alone.
And never really calm.
Exactly.
Here, my thoughts slow down.
Mine too. I don't feel like I'm being chased anymore.
By time?
By everything. Schedules, expectations, pressure.
I didn't realize how heavy that was.
You get used to it. You think it's normal.
Until it stops.
And suddenly you can breathe.
The silence helps.
It gives your mind space to rest.
Even evenings feel different here.
No traffic sounds, no city lights.
Just quiet and nature.
I sleep better.
Me too. I wake up feeling lighter.
Like your body finally agrees with your life.
That's a good way to say it.
Out here, nothing feels urgent.
And somehow, that makes everything more important.
Yeah, moments last longer,
I feel more present.
more connected,
Not to things.
but to life.
This space outside,
It created space inside us.
I don't want to lose that.
Me neither.
This feels like what we needed.
It really does.
City noise at night. Can you hear that?
Yeah, cars again.
And sirens. It never really stops.
Even at this hour.
I thought nights were supposed to be quiet.
Not in the city.
Sometimes I just want silence.
Same. But the city doesn't sleep.
Even when we're exhausted.
It feels like rest is always interrupted.
Traffic, voices, horns, even through closed windows.
You get used to it.
Yeah, But maybe we shouldn't.
I miss calm nights,
Nights where your mind can slow down.
where silence doesn't feel strange.
Do you ever imagine living somewhere quieter?
More and more lately.
A place where night actually means rest.
That sounds nice.
Peaceful.
Maybe that's what we need next.
Evening reflection outdoors. Do you ever think about how different our lives feel now?
All the time.
The city feels so far away.
Not just in distance, in feeling.
Back then, everything was about speed.
Work, money, schedules,
We were always planning the next thing.
and never enjoying the moment we were in.
Now, evenings feel quiet.
And meaningful.
I don't feel like I'm chasing life anymore.
It feels like life finally slowed down for us.
What do you think changed the most?
Our priorities.
Yeah,
We used to measure success by how busy we were,
now we measure it by peace,
by time together.
by how we feel when the day ends.
I don't miss the noise.
I don't miss the pressure.
I just want this.
Simple moments.
Quiet evenings.
And a life that feels real.
This stage of life, it's not about more.
It's about enough.
And I think we finally found it.
Me too.